my face?
Yes, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
So you don't want Mom's face to moisturize?
You think that's what I'm doing? You think I'm moisturizing?
Mummy, some people in the beach, they put pickles on their eyes. Slices of pickles.
Slices of cucumber, not pickles.
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the vlog. I decided to start this video like this today so that you see some of the things that I'm constantly muting when I start these vlogs. Anyway, quick update on our window plants. Our basil has started to sprout, tomatoes as well, and there are some other things that are happening there on that windowsill. I'll update you guys in a separate video. But anyway, the guys woke up and they were quite hungry, so we had this ready-made waffles that I showed you in our monthly haul video. I just made some crispy bacon to go with that, and I cut up Daniel's portion. And yeah, that was what the boys had for breakfast. Myself and my husband had pancakes, and I had my tea and apple cider vinegar. This thing on my face is a Dead Sea mask from Slow Sunday. It's from a Shein brand.
Come on, kiss mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you kiss me. You kiss me.
No, you do it.
Daniel,
You do it.
I'm still your mommy. Kiss me.
No, you do it.
Okay, let's meet halfway.
What?
Meet me halfway. Kiss me.
Bye-bye. Just like your mother.
The boy has refused to kiss me. I don't look scary now. Asha, do I look scary? No. It's time to go and wash this off and take a break from this screen. I can't even put on my glasses because this thing is cracking off. And anyways, Darling and Daddy have gone out though. They have one football program to attend. I have clothes there to wash. I have clothes to wash. Let me go and put them in the machine so that at least in the next how many minutes, because this sun is looking like it's coming out. Anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. I have to go and finish my spa session. Plus, I want to do my feet. My feet, they look sad. They look sad. Anyway, I still want to hoover this whole house. So I think what I'm going to do now is just try to hoover first. Then, no. I'll put the clothes in the machine first. Then I'll hoover. And then I'll go and finish doing my face. That's what I'm going to do. I want to whiten my teeth as well. I have a whitening strip that I'm going to be using in a few minutes. Anyway, you guys, there are a couple of things on my to-do list today. I've put in a lot of laundry and I'm just going ahead to hoover the house. Anytime you see this Dyson out, you know that I'm doing serious damage control, because that means that my handheld vacuum has done its best, but I need to bring in the big guns. So yeah, the Dyson always gets all the dust out, and it sucks up things that I have not seen in a while. So yeah, I'm also doing the dishes as well. I don't know if you guys remember this scrubber. It's an electric brush that I unboxed from the Shein home unboxing I did a while ago. It did the work, but I had to go in and put some elbow grease, if you know what I mean. And for those who have been following for a while, I've been making our body butter. This is what's left from the last shea butter we had. I ordered this one from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in my description box. I've purchased this shea butter from them twice, and the quality is the same, the smell is the same. I usually just add my own coconut oil, olive oil and essential oils into it just to change the smell, because it is quite strong smelling. This is the olive oil that I use. I also put some coconut oil off camera, and I added my essential oils. I mix that together, and then I put it all in the fridge just to solidify for a while. Obviously, I'm going to smell it to know that I'm happy with the smell before I set it in the fridge. I'm just going ahead to complete my skincare. I got this teeth whitening strips from Pro. There's quite a few in there. There's a flap to open it,
and each one has 2 strips in it, one for your top layer and the other one for the bottom layer. There's some instructions at the back of it. It just needs to sit for a while. I'm going ahead to remove my mask and then go ahead to prep my face. I will be using my CeraVe blemish control, and this has just been helping with removing the dead skin, and also getting my face to smoothen out, just to get rid of all my dark spots from past acne. And then I'm going in with this scrub of life from this amazing brand. I think this is Soap and Glory. Yeah, so this is what I've been using, and I've had my bath as well. I'm using my Sinos. This is the brand that I get from Farm Foods. I've reviewed this a couple of times with my grocery haul. If you guys have missed it, check it out. These brands are less than £1. It's all about affordability here on this channel. Anyway, sunscreen to save the day, and then I'm done for the day. I'm just fanning that in to dry it, and since I'm not using any perfumes or anything, I'm just using my essential oils from Yuki, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going back to just brush out the residue from the strips, and that is it, you guys. Look at my glow. Are you guys seeing any improvement? Because I am. Look at that glow. Anyway, the load of laundry is done by this time. I'm just going ahead to spread that on the line outside. There is always a difference when I spread my clothes on the line and when I use this dryer. I just feel like the sun hit it better on the line, and I always put drops of essential oils in my laundry. So every time I spread it on this line and the sun hits it, forget it, it's all gone. By this time, Daniel and Daddy are back from Daniel's award ceremony. He got a trophy for his football club. Yeah, he was really happy with himself. My husband and I were just chatting here. Just talking about prospects of retiring and becoming full-time managers for soccer, but that can't happen until we leave the current visa we're on. But that's another story for another day. You guys are making lunch. We're having chips and nuggets, nothing complicated, because it's a Saturday and I also want to lounge and enjoy my life. All right, so I'm making some sorbet, and I'm just using mango and raspberries with some orange juice, and I'm adding a tablespoon of ginger powder. This is my homemade ginger powder I did a couple of videos ago. I'm just going to blend that, and that's my sorbet done. Nobody ate this with me. My husband wouldn't have minded. He would have loved to have this as well, but he was working upstairs, so this was all mine. The boys don't like sorbet because they feel like the pulp from the seeds and all of that is too much for them. Well, I'm not complaining. The chips are almost done. I'm just giving that a quick salt. I'll shake that together, put that back in the air fryer, and let it finish cooking while I go back and get some work done. And this is basically how my Saturday goes. Anyway, the boys are watching Karate Kid here. They seem to love it. I think this is the second time they're watching it. Anyway, lunch is done. I'm just going to plate that up, and we I don't know if everyone else is like this, but we have different kind of sauces. So the boys love ketchup and barbecue. This is the brand we've been using for a while now. They love the two for one plate. I don't know, my husband doesn't like any of that, so he just has mayonnaise. I have garlic mayonnaise. Anyway, our butter is all hardened up. I'm just going to go ahead with my whisk and give that a really good whisk until it has tripled in size. Don't forget to scrape the sides, because sometimes you get some parts that do not mix well, but scrape the sides down and just keep whisking till it has tripled in size. This is going to last us a while. I've done this for a while now, and we still haven't finished one tub, just in case we have new customers, or did I just say customers, new subscribers from South Africa, and you're looking at these containers. These are Epimax containers that I brought in from South Africa. This used to be my boys' cream, and I still haven't found a cream that is as good as this in this UK. But anyway, I just repurpose these containers to keep our body butter in, and look at that, it's melting, literally disappearing as it touches your skin. I put the excess in the empty tub So yeah, this is going to last us probably till December. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to last us till December.
3 days later.
So it's a Friday, and you guys, I have a couple of products to unbox today. I'm off duty, and that just means that I'm on duty for my other things that I have to do, you know, like cleaning up the house, being a mom, catching up with chores, YouTube, other things. They're just other things that I have to do. But anyway, you guys, Aoolia, I don't know if you guys remember Aoolia from a couple of months back. They sent me a couple of additional items. This was one of the glasses or frames that I reviewed in my last video with Aoolia. But they've sent me a couple more items. They've sent me 3 items to unbox in today's video. The first of which is a glasses case. It just looks... So they sent some additional items in this box. So like I told you in the last time that we collaborated together, they have some amazing glasses case. This is a sky blue one. I have been falling in love with the color sky blue for a while now, and this is what it looks like. So your glasses literally go in there. I didn't even know that, but it comes with an extra lens cleaner. This is what it looks like. It's really well made. Look at the attention to detail on there as well. I really love the product because, you know, apart from the fact that, you know, it's sleek, it's quite durable. It's very durable. This is one of the glasses that they've sent. Obviously it comes with a customized dust bag for the brand. It also comes with a lens cleaner, a customized lens cleaner. And I chose this clear frame because the clear frame that I had got broken, so I had it replaced. This is what this one is looking like. It's really beautiful. I love the fact that it looks so professional. It just it amps your look. This is what it looks like. I really love the frame. I love the glasses itself. So the second eyewear they gave to me, I've given that out to a lovely sister. She really loved it. She chose her frame herself, and that's what it looks like on her. You guys, Aoolia is your plug when it comes to frames and lenses like this. It just gives you a professional touch, obviously because of the lights and all what I have in front of me. Alright, so I just turned off my light so that you guys are able to see these glasses a lot better. I love this frame, you guys. Love the attention to detail. Obviously this one also has the blue blocker effect, and that's because I have to deal with my laptop and my phone all the time. Like I'm constantly staring at one screen or the other, or I'm watching what the boys are watching. It's just something in front of me all the time. So this just helps with blocking the rays of light and all of that on me. And this is what we're looking like. I really love it. Aoolia has given my subscribers 50% off your frames, and you also get about 20% off with your lenses, and it's a great deal if you guys ask me. The code to use is on the screen. It will also be in the description box. Click on that link. It will take you directly to their website where you can be able to shop for amazing items like this. It even matches my shirt. So you can also use this for sunglasses as well. I reviewed a sunglass the last time we collaborated. It fits in there. It closes perfectly well. And that's what this looks like. So with each glasses you get this carry-on pouch. It's also customized. It has some amazing gold details on there. Your glasses can also fit in there, but obviously if you want something a lot more durable, you go for this glass case, and this was less than £8, I think. Yeah, so it's really affordable. These glasses are really truly affordable. If you have prescriptions as well, you can just send them your prescriptions, choose your frames, and they will just send that back to you. It's really easy. They will customize the lens and all of that for you. It's really good. I've worked with Aoolia a couple of times, almost 5 times now, and I can tell you that with every collaboration they have made 1 or 2 improvements. They work agile, so they're constantly improving on their products. You guys should check them out. It's not just by mouth, they are really that good. Anyway, you guys, there's something that has been on my mind for a while, and I just wanted to talk about that. I know interests differ from time to time. I know that, you know, probably because of the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, I don't know, but I've noticed again that, you know, my views have dropped, my content have remained the same, probably because I have reduced my content upload times. I've noticed I have a video that is yet to pass, I think, 600 views. You guys, at this point with my YouTube channel, I'm just giving the glory to God, because even with my few subscribers that are still watching my content, I'm still doing very well in terms of views. And it's not just the views, it's where the views are coming from. It's still what I want, so I'm not even complaining. At this point, I've handed my YouTube channel over to God. Let God just do what he wants with it. I'm going ahead to start a new series. Also, there are some things in the works just to increase my upload time. I'm going to do what I can for this channel. Like I said, I am not quitting YouTube. I love genuinely creating content, and no matter how busy I get, I still make time out for it. The kind of brands that are reaching out to me at this point in time, it gives me the encouragement to keep going, because even when I want to take a step back and reassess the whole situation, I can't. It truly gives me joy, so I'm not even stopping. It's not something I'm considering at all. I cannot get to the point where I'm now discouraged that I do not want to create content anymore. It hasn't gotten to that point, but I'm just being vulnerable with you guys and just letting you know that this channel, I've handed it over to God. My channel is almost 5 years, and the amount of growth and, you know, exposure that I've gotten from this channel, especially ever since I came to the UK, my channel started to pick up almost as I was about to leave South Africa. But when I came to the UK and started creating UK-based content, my channel has taken off, and I am so grateful to God. I came into this country with about 3,000 plus subscribers, and right now we are about 24,000 subscribers, which is, how many percent is that? That's almost 700% increase in the first 3 years. So that's exponential, if you ask me. So I'm not complaining. I'm actually grateful to God. Anyway, you guys, to those who have remained true to this channel, to those who have constantly come back, I can count on you. You guys, thank you so much for encouraging me with your comments, with your likes, with your views, with your shares. You guys, I'm grateful. I'm truly grateful. It means a lot to me. Anyway, you guys, I've rambled on for too long. I will be ending this vlog here. I'll pick up the vlog in another video. I just wanted to share this relatable moment with you guys and just let you know that I see you. My heart blesses you. God bless you. Thank you again to every single one who has clicked on today's video. I will see you guys in another vlog. Mwah. Bye, y'all.